Hello esteemed viewers, welcome to our maths tutorial for today. In today's class, we are going to find the solution of this maths Olympiad solution question. And the question says, if A divide B to the power of x minus 1 is equal to B divided by A to the power of x minus 3, find the value of x in that expression. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notified when we upload a newer content of our mathematics solution. And don't forget to share this video with your colleagues. Thank you. Now let's get started. To solve this question, we are going to look at simplifying the numerator of these expressions. From this expression, we are given that A divide B to the power of x minus 1 is equal to, this is B divide A to the power of x minus 3. Given that expression, you will come to find out that this base is not the same thing with this base. So something needs to be done to make them same base. And to make them same base, all we need to do is for you to remember that 1 over y can simply be written by y raised to the power minus 1 divided by 1. Or simply put, if I have my y over x and I want to make them a reciprocal, this can be equal to x over y all raised to the power minus 1. So if we apply that artist to this sample, to our question, we are going to find out that we'll have a divided by b to the power of x minus 1 to be equal to a to the power divide b to the power of minus 1 multiplied by x minus 3, because the minus 1 has taken the reciprocal, has made this base reciprocated. So we have seen that we have a common base, and in that instance we are going to equate the powers since the base are common. Since we have common base, we equate the powers. We'll have x minus 1 to be equal to minus 1 multiplied by x minus 3. So this expression will give us x minus 1 equal to minus 1 multiplied by x will give us minus x, and then we'll have minus 1 multiplied by minus 3 will give us plus 3. So that expression will be simplified further to give us, collecting like terms, we'll have x coming over this other part, and we'll have minus 1 coming over the right hand side. If we have done that, we will now have this expression to become x plus x, and that will be equal to plus 3 plus 1. So x plus x will give us 2x to be equal to 4. Having gotten to that point, we will now divide both sides by 2. If we divide both sides by 2, we'll have x to be equal to 2. So therefore, that whole expression, the solution to that expression, that the value of x is equal to 2. Many thanks for watching this video, and do share this video with friends and colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics video. Thanks so much, and bye-bye.